Whoa. Stop moving. Hey guys, what's going on? Andy here from My Place on Wheels. So I know I told you I was able to put the molding onto the side of the Airstream, but I didn't really tell you how. And I did say I used a riveter or rivet tool. That's what this is right here. So it's actually really simple to use. It did take me a while to get the hang of it, but once I got it, it's a piece of cake. And I'm gonna show you how right now. So what you do is you basically take a rivet, which is this this little tool right here. It's a substitute for nails, so it just holds two pieces of metal together. And what it is, it's just a little cylinder. Maybe you can't see it from there, but it's just a little cylinder with a rod going through it and a ball tip at the end of it. So when you put it into the riveting tool or the riveter, you just squeeze this and it pulls that little rod out of the cylinder. But that little tip basically makes the cylinder mushroom out like this, and it holds those two pieces of metal together. So you just kind of stick it in here and, well, sorry, wait a second. So you stick it in here, put it into your metal, and then you just pull right here. Pretty simple to use. If you don't have a hole that you're already gonna use to put those two metals together, well, you definitely want to use a drill with the proper drill size. And always use your proper protective equipment, your personal protective equipment, so your PP&E. When I did this, I definitely did use safety glasses, and you know, if you're a female, tie your hair back. I'm a huge advocate for that. I've seen some pretty bad accidents in my high school days. So those are the basic things. If you want to see how it's done, I'm about to show you in a quick second. Alrighty, so what I'm basically doing right now is I'm finishing up, I'm putting this molding back onto the trailer. I'm leaving this on purpose, because I haven't finished putting the rest of the molding on over here. So if I seal it onto here, it's gonna make it really difficult for me to, you know, work with this. But just to show you, you just put the rivet into the riveter just like this. Can't see if, just like that. I bent this right now because I was messing with it, but it should be straight when you're using it. Anyways, you put it in just like this, and then it goes into the hole. And I'm gonna bring this closer so you guys can see. So you just put it into the whatever hole you're using. Again, if you haven't created a hole, do so with a drill, and do it on both pieces of metal. So I've got one through the molding and through the trailer itself. So you just align the two, and then you just squeeze the riveter. So, oh, sorry, my tripod's failing me. Let's put this right here. So, there we go. No, we don't. Well, basically all you're gonna do is squeeze this. Use both hands. Careful when you do it, but have fun with it. It's pretty simple to do. Hope this brought value to you guys. Again, if you did like what you saw, give me a like, or share it with somebody who can benefit from it, or subscribe for more helpful videos. Take it easy, guys.